Alright guys, I'm pretty excited. This is the first time I've ever caught fish on top water, and they're boiling like crazy. You can see right here. Yep, there they go, there they go. Alright guys, we're seeing some striper boil right here. We're shooting for them. I mean, they're schooling right here. Might as well hit them.
Fish on.
Oh, damn. Nice, dude.
Oh, dude, they're boiling right there.
Nice.
Oh, dude, yeah, they're chasing shad.
Yeah, they just spit one out, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, got one. Double hookup. Oh, I missed him. No, he's still there. Nice. Nice, dude. Doubles. That's my first hit on a topwater. Nice. Dude, that's sick. Good job. That's never happened to us. Let's go, man. This is awesome. I've never got hit on a topwater before.
This one feels like it's close to keeper.
This one feels like a close to keeper. Nice, man. That is awesome. Oh, I just lost him. Damn, that was a good fish. All right, well, I'm 0 for 1.
Because those little shad, dude, they look white like this color.
Oh, that's a hit. Got him. It's a small one. 2 for 2. Is he still there? Yeah, I got a small one right here.
Oh, I missed another one.
Dude, there's a lot right here. This is awesome. First fish for me.
Yep.
Shaker. Oh, there's one right here. There they are, dude, right here. There's the top water. Come on, baby.
Right now I just...
Yep, there's a hit. You missed it.
Top water on just because.
Oh, they're chasing it all the way to the boat. This is awesome, bro.
Dude, they're chasing the little shad.
They can't hit it. That's so cool. Oh, there it is. That's a good one. That's a good one. Maybe like a 15er?
Maybe,
Yep. I've had this topwater lure in my box for freaking ages, dude. Yeah, that's close to a keeper right there. No, maybe 13, 14. All right. Look at that, guys. Great little striper. Another one. Looking good with the top water. Oh yeah, man, this is fun. Out here on the Sacramento. All of them about... Got yourself in the eye, bro. There's another one. Dude, they're lighting this thing up, man. There's another one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna switch to a big swim bait. Because these shakers keep hitting it.
Yeah. I mean, either way, it's fun. They're still gonna hit it, you know?
Yeah. There you go, buddy. All right, so I'm getting a lot of shakers, so I'm gonna switch to this bigger swim bait instead of the top water. And with the swim bait, you just bring it back in steady retrieve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, is that a strike?
Yeah, it's small though. There we go. On. Off. The drag's way too loose because I had that shaker. All right, guys, we're switching our lures up and everything to try and find what they're eating, and I can't find it exactly, so I'm gonna throw this fluke with a little jig head with a flasher. It's weird, I know, but we'll see if they like it. Keeper?
All up in that line.
We had
A little gut on them.
yeah, the first two we had were big ones. The boiler's stopped, so we're gonna go to a spot, a big hole, and drop some bait, soak some bait, see if we can hook into a keeper. and maybe do some catch and cook, bring it home. Alright, so Bo's got a cool little setup. He's got a little balance bar that we're gonna move the seats in the center and then rest the rods on the balance bar, and it'll be kind of nice. It's already bite?
No.
As you? Alright guys, we got the rod, we're good to go. Got some sardine on there, looks just like that. I don't know, dude. He's your fish.
Crossed over your line though.
Yeah? Keeper? Come on, baby. Oh, he's closer. Maybe like 15. Nice, dude. You're gonna get him. There it is. Nice, dude.
That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah? Nice. You want the net?
I think we're okay.
Nice, bro. That was a good hit. On the balance bar.
Nope, not a
Oh, that's close. That's like 16. They like Bo's rod. They don't like mine. No, it was really small bites. Oh, you're getting bit. Oh, damn. That was a hook set if I ever seen one.
Is that 2 or 3 ounces?
It's like the same thing I got. Well, we're calling it a day. Got a lot of fish. All right, go for it whenever you're ready. Wasn't focused.
Oh, I even did a slow.
I know, you did. You did a nice release and everything.
I know. I never do it like that. Usually I just kind of do a flip in the water.